Hello and welcome to the channel. So I've just had a very disappointing shopping trip to Lidl. I was going to get quite a few different things that I've seen online in the catalogue, but literally nothing. They had these knives, which I picked this one up because it's the most interesting. They had some socket sets, which I've got loads of, screwdrivers, got loads of, nothing really much, torches, got the torches, hammers, they've got bits and pieces like that, but nothing unusual. They did have an adjustable wrench that had like a mole grip lock on it, but I don't use adjustable wrenches, so I left that one. Maybe I'll pick it up next time. But this is a Parkside Performance twin blade knife, 11-piece set, 5-year warranty. So it's for cutting carpet, cardboard and paper with 2 retractable blades, storage compartment for 10 spare blades. Blades can be locked in 3 different positions. Quick blade change without tools includes 5 utility knife blades and 5 hooked utility knife blades. 11-piece set. Decoration not included. Decoration? Oh, must be in this piece of carpet. Yeah. And it looks like it's made in Germany by Compartment Handles GmbH and imported by Lidl. There's a VPA certified ID number there. Fit for use, safe handling, controlled, it says. Let's have a look. Now I weighed this without the packaging and it weighs 188 grams with the blades inside. It's a really nice feeling, nice weight. It's got rubber on the back there. It's got a nice amount of rubber on this side here. Feels really comfortable in the hand. Parkside Performance stamped and painted on there. Nice solid construction. Loop there to hang it up or to put a lanyard on it. You've got 2 screw holes holding the whole thing together. They're different, aren't they? So the switches on the top are different. You've got 2 different styles there. Got one with more of a slope to it, and then one that looks more like a tortoise sort of shell. Must be, maybe it's so you can feel the difference without having to look at the knife. Not sure what that's about. So yeah, it locks 1, 2, 3 positions, and then if you want to take the blade out, there's one of these on each side, so you just press that and the blade comes out. They are Parkside blades as well, and then press the button. We can do this, there we go, until it locks in, and that's it, locked in. So the other one, 1, 2, so first position is useless because nothing comes out. Second position, you've got a little bit of a hook and then all the way. Same with this one, you just press the button on this side and it slots out. Oh, there's a lot of gubbins on there, oil, grease, a lot of grease on that. So same, just push it in until it stops and then it's locked in. That's not all the way, is it? There you go. Nice, easy to use. I like the fact you've got a choice of 2 blades. I suppose, seeing as this locks in 3 positions on this side as well, you could just put a Stanley blade in this side as well, and then you've got 2 Stanley blades. Instead of taking the blade out, turning it around or swapping it for a new one, you can just carry on working, just put the other blade out. So there's a little symbol there. I'm not really sure what that is. Maybe that just means that lifts up, I'm not sure. This is a plastic cover with rubber, and it's actually got some kind of, you can just see down there, there's like a metal spring, like a tension thing to stop it flopping about, and it clicks in nicely. This rubber doesn't move at all. It's got the same writing there that you've got on the box. So inside here you've got your blades. So you've got 5 Stanley knife blades and 5 hooked blades. Hang on a minute, it says 11-piece set, 5, 10, 11, and then it's got 2 blades in it, so it's 13 It's already got 2 blades installed. So it's actually a 13-piece set. You've got 6 of each blade. Am I counting those right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So there's 10 blades in there and 2 blades in it. So it's actually 13, not 11. Excellent. But yeah, what a nice, feels really nice. Quality seems great. Let's try this hooked. I'm not sure what you really use these hooked ones for, but let's see how sharp it is. Oop, I don't want to slice of things. Very sharp. That's going through, what, about 5 or 6 pieces of paper there. Could probably use it to shave your nail. Yep. There you go. And then your normal Stanley knife blade. Nice, easy to flip it over, swap it round. You have to push that really far in actually for it to, it's nice and loose, but if you let go of it a tiny bit, it grabs it. So you have to push it in all the way as flat as you can for it to lock in properly. But not a problem. It might actually loosen up a bit of time anyway. So there you have it, the Parkside twin blade utility knife. I recommend it. For the price, I think it was £4.99. Definitely, yeah, definitely get one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.